Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is another eating video. So we are going to be eating ji akwukwo nri vegetable yam. So I made this yam with spinach. So spinach is the vegetable. Usually as an Igbo girl, we cook this yam with ogo, but being that sometimes we see ogo here and sometimes we don't. I cannot rely on it each time I want to cook this food. So that being said, I hope you went to church. I hope you wake up okay today. It is a Sunday. I'm just back from church and I just can't wait to eat this food and put myself on the chair and just chill out for the day. Maybe not chilling out, I'll be editing anyway while I'm sitting down on the chair. But yeah, it's a lovely day. So let's dive in this food. I have washed my hand because I'm going to be eating this food with my hands. So we only have we only have our yam and the spinach, right? And for me, I added the stockfish head. You know that I love stockfish head. It's not a secret anymore. So, oh, delicious. So let's get on. If you have not seen the video of how I made this yam, girl, you need to go and check it out, okay? absolutely yummy. But I must say, I love yam porridge, yam vegetable. Yeah, when I was small, I love it. Like, anywhere you give me yam, I will eat yam. Like, I love it. I never complain for yam. So I love it. Maybe because I love it, that's why I love it. I know some people don't like yam. There's one of my brother, I remember when we cook yam, hey, he is like you have just killed him. He doesn't like yam. But I love it. Roast it, fry it, porridge it, vegetable it, however you are doing it, boil it with oil. I love to eat it. But this my vegetable yam, I made it differently. It's not like I cook it like I'm cooking yam porridge and then I add vegetable. It's a different way of cooking it as well. That is my way of cooking it. I like cooking it that way. And there's other way of cooking it whereby you just boil the yam, then sift the water out, add the vegetable and add the oil, and then mix it up without no water in the yam. But I love this, my method. Anywho, thank you so much for joining me in this my eating video. I hope that you enjoy it as much as I enjoy it too. I love eating. I feel like you know it now, so I don't have to say it. So guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press on the bell icon to notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. I will love you, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.